Join me as I dive into the chaos created by Trump's tariffs and make some sense of the craziness in the Bitcoin and crypto markets. The connection between tariffs and cryptocurrencies might seem unexpected, but it's a topic that's gaining traction, and for good reason, as the effects are being felt across the board. The crypto markets are facing unprecedented challenges due to these tariffs, with volatility and investor uncertainty being major concerns. Bitcoin in particular has seen significant fluctuations in value, making it difficult for investors to predict its movements. This uncertainty is deterring some potential investors, causing them to shy away from the market. The tariffs imposed by Trump are having a ripple effect, impacting not just the U.S. economy, but also global markets. Investor behavior is changing rapidly, with many opting for safer, more traditional investments. The crypto market, known for its risk and potential for high rewards, is seeing a decline in investment. This shift is largely due to the perception that cryptocurrencies are too volatile, especially in the face of economic uncertainty. Economic indicators are also showing signs of strain, with trade wars and tariffs contributing to a slowdown in global economic growth. The impact of tariffs on the crypto market is multifaceted, affecting everything from mining operations to exchange rates. Mining, a crucial aspect of cryptocurrency, is becoming less profitable due to increased costs associated with tariffs on imported machinery. This could lead to a reduction in the overall supply of new coins, potentially affecting the market's liquidity. Furthermore, exchange rates are being influenced as the value of currencies fluctuates in response to economic changes. Delving deeper into the specifics of how tariffs influence market trends reveals a complex interplay of factors. The cost of goods and services is increasing, which can lead to higher prices for consumers. This, in turn, affects the demand for cryptocurrencies, as people may have less disposable income to invest. The broader economic landscape is also shifting, with countries imposing their own tariffs in response, leading to a global trade war that affects all markets, including crypto. Tariffs are also influencing investor behavior in subtle but significant ways. Many are adopting a wait-and-see approach, hesitant to invest in such uncertain times. Others are diversifying their portfolios, seeking safer havens for their investments. The crypto market, once seen as a potential safe haven due to its decentralized nature, is now facing the same pressures as traditional markets. This shift in investor behavior could have long-term implications for the crypto market, potentially changing the way it operates and grows. Understanding the details of how tariffs are impacting the crypto market requires a close look at the data and expert insights. Analysts are warning of a potential downturn in the market if the situation does not improve. Despite this, some see the current chaos as an opportunity, believing that cryptocurrencies will emerge stronger in the long run. The future of cryptocurrencies in light of these tariffs is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the connection between global economic policies and crypto markets is stronger than ever. Expert opinions vary widely on the subject, with some predicting a significant downturn in the crypto market and others seeing this as a temporary setback. Data suggests that while the tariffs are having an immediate impact, the long-term effects could be less severe than anticipated. The crypto market has always been known for its resilience, and it's possible that it will adapt to these changes. However, the path forward is fraught with challenges, and investors will need to be cautious and informed. The impact of tariffs on the future of cryptocurrencies is a topic of intense debate. Some believe that the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies will allow them to weather the storm, emerging stronger and more resilient. Others predict that the increased regulation and government intervention that could follow the tariffs will stifle the growth of the crypto market. Regardless of the outcome, it's clear that the relationship between global economic policies and cryptocurrencies is complex and multifaceted. As the situation continues to unfold, investors are looking for any sign of what's to come. The crypto market's ability to adapt to changing economic conditions will be crucial in the days ahead. With so many factors at play, predicting the future of cryptocurrencies is more challenging than ever. One thing is certain though, the connection between tariffs and the crypto market's chaos is real, and understanding this relationship is key to navigating the current landscape. In conclusion, the tariffs imposed by Trump have sent the Bitcoin and crypto markets into chaos, with volatility and investor uncertainty on the rise. The challenges facing the crypto market are significant, and understanding the details of how tariffs are influencing market trends, investor behavior, and the broader economic landscape is crucial for navigating this uncertain time. Make sure to share your thoughts on how you think the tariffs will impact the crypto market in the comments below, and if you're looking for more insights into the latest crypto developments, check out our other video on the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize industries beyond finance. Don't forget to like and subscribe.